Hey, this is the video for the lab for week 2. Um, what we're going to be doing in this lab is we're going to be looking at the difference between simple reaction time and choice reaction time by using our coins here. There's going to be 2 tasks they're going to be doing, so we can see our data sheet is divided into 2 tasks. Task 1 is going to be our simple reaction time, and task 2 is going to be our choice reaction time. So we'll go simple. And so with our simple reaction time, our SR alternatives is 1. And then for our choice reaction time with this one is going to be 2, heads or tails, right? Okay, so for the first thing that you're going to be doing, your partner is going to set up your board here, and all of the coins are going to be slid into this H column right here. So when your partner says go, they're going to say go, hit the timer. You're going to go bang, bang, all the way down into the heads column, the H column, all the way down. And then that will be your time. So let's say it took me 10 seconds to get through that one. I take my 10 seconds, I divide it by 10, since there's 10 coins, to get my per coin time, and that was 1 second for my per 10 coins. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. All right. You'll do that 12 different times. And then for each one of those 12 times, you're going to get your per coin time here. You're going to average your per coin time. So you'll add all these up and divide it by 12, and that's going to give you your average. So you divide it by 12 because there's 12 trials, right? So it's the per coin times divided by 12 will give you your average. So it's the summation of your per coin. So add all those up, divide by 12, and that gives you your average. All right. That's for task 1. For task 2, the heads and tails are going to matter. So your partner's going to switch these up every time. Every time, though, make sure that there are 5 heads and 5 tails. And then make sure that you have never have more than 3 consecutive of one type. So 3 consecutive heads or 3 consecutive tails. Now your partner is going to hit go, and they're going to say go, and you're going to go, heads are going to go on the heads, the tails are going to go on the tails. Heads, tails, tails, heads, tails, heads. Make sure you get them into the proper things, hit time, and that'll be your time. So let's say that took me, I can't write it upside down very good, 20 seconds. So 20 divided by 10 would be 2. And then I'd, again, add all these numbers up, divide by 12, and that gives you your average here. All right? These 2 average numbers are what we compare together to talk difference between task 1 and task 2. Within the task, you're going to look at how are my times, how do I see any patterns of my times as I practice? Did I get better as I practiced? What happened? Are there any things that we notice? All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. When you get to the discussion part, make sure that you hit on all of these different discussion points in your discussion here. Again, you can write it as like a discussion write-up, like in paragraph form, or you can just answer the questions as they're presented here, whichever works best for you, however you want to get that information over to me. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, email, phone call, whatever you need. Again, make sure that you have a partner and that the same participant does all of the trials all the way through. All right, enjoy.